Hello, brother. So I don't have a 4-wire proximity sensor to visually show you, but I do have a 3-wire, a 4-wire, and a 3-wire. The only difference is it has 2 outputs instead of 1 output. So on a 3-wire, you have 1 signal wire outputting to a load. On a 4-wire, you have another output signal wire going out to a load. I do have a diagram here of a 4-wire, 1, 2, 3, 4. Brown wire is the positive power source. The black is the normally open side to a load, and the white is the normally closed side going out to a load. And the blue wire is the negative wire going back to your power source. And I have a 3-wire here. Like I said, they operate pretty much the same. The 3-wire just doesn't have that extra set of wires, that wire that outputs to the load, or that white wire. I can show you how it is wired from your power supply and to the load. This is the normally open wire one only, the black wire. So let's go check it out. So this prox sensor is a DC prox sensor. So I have a power supply. It's going to bring in my 24 volts DC, and I just have a little LED here to be used as the load. So first off, brown wire. Brown wire is connected to the positive side of our power source. So this red wire is the positive side of our power source. So that's going to be connected directly to the brown wire. I got it on just like that. Power source, the positive wire, is connected to the brown. And then we want to connect the blue to the negative side of the power source, and also to the negative side of our load. So we have a black wire that's going to go to the load, and from the negative side or the return side of our load, we're going to connect it to that blue wire as well. And the blue wire from the prox switch along with the load wire is going to be connected to the return side of our power source. So now I got the blue wire from our proxy sensor connected to the return side of our power source, along with the return side or the negative side of our load connected with that as well. I then connected the black wire of our prox sensor to the positive side of our LED. So the black wire is connected to the positive side of the load. So with everything connected now, I can turn on the power supply. So now remember, the black wire is a normally open. So meaning that when the prox does not detect the metallic object, it does not provide electricity to our LED. But when it detects the metallic object, it will then close that internal switch and supply the 24 volts to the load or to the LED. So as the prox closes, the LED is on. Remove it, LED turns off. For a 4-wire, you would have that 4th wire, or the white wire, which would then be normally closed. So in this state right now, if there's another light wired to that white wire, it would be on. But then when we hit the prox, it would turn off because it breaks open. The prox would close the normally open side, and it would break open the normally closed side. So then you would have one light turning off while this light turns on. And this is a DC voltage proximity sensor setup. If it's AC, it might be different, but every prox sensor should come with, will usually come with some sort of diagram to help you wire it up. So until next time, deuces.